Hello everyone. This retractable data sync and charging cable is a USB cable designed for Apple devices. You can use this to charge and or sync your iPhone and iPad. Just simply pull both ends at the same time and the cable will extend, see, and give both sides another tug and the cable will retract and hide all wires, see. Eliminate clutter with this retractable cable. The small retractable design is great for portability, and you'll love no tangled messy wires, and you can toss it in your desk drawer or briefcase, even your pocket. Okay, now let's see. Connect one end to your device and connect other end to this USB power bank. See, it's charging. You can also use this cable in conjunction with the USB wall adapter to create your own charger. Please. And remember, here size not pull from each end, like I said at the same time. Don't pull from the middle, just like this. Can't work. Okay, that's all, and thanks for watching this video.